Welcome to my channel MPsPathshala. Here I am Mona Patel welcoming you all in my channel MPsPathshala. Let me introduce about my channel MPsPathshala. As name itself suggests that it's a place where we can learn together, but little bit I more describe about the introduction of my channel. My tagline is empowering everyday learning with all-in-one MPsPathshala. If I talk about MPsPathshala, then it's a place where knowledge flows freely and joyfully. Here I will share knowledge that genuinely helps me throughout my journey, and with hope it will definitely help you too in your real life journey. I will provide some knowledge regarding tech and professional growth, some art related work which I prefer while I want to calm down my mind and want to relax little bit, stress free from the regular life or whatever. I will definitely share some life skills and personal growth and development. Here I choose all in one word in my tagline because I believe the most helpful knowledge comes from combining different fields, whether you are working on a business project or working in a kitchen, to preparing or making some delicious food for yourself or for your family. So everyday life teaches you a lot of lessons throughout your life journey as well as in so many fields. So here my motive is to provide knowledge throughout my life journey. So my MPsPathshala's main motive is to empower everyday learning skill. I want to make sure that I am not an official advisor or a certified professional in any field. I am a fellow learner and a QA specialist who loves sharing what really works in my life with the positive hope that it will really relate to your life. The content is for general guidance, inspiration, and entertainment only. Please consult a qualified professional as and when needed. If I talk about me, I am Mona Patel. I am an Indian. I have a 7 years of senior quality assurance experience in IT industries. As a QA, I love to test, break, and make it much better than the before. I also believe coding or testing are not only my whole life. I have good interest in some other parts of my life, whether it is related to my hobby in art or in cooking, some quick and healthy and delicious dishes in my kitchen, whether to perform yoga every day or to boost up my energies and maintain my mind, relax, calm down by meditating every day in my life. So I'm here to share each and everything where I get knowledge throughout my life journey. So let's learn, create, and grow together. If you believe in practical, diverse, and joyful learning, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join my MPsPathshala channel. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you so much.